Hi, hello, this is PGR. You're watching PGR's Indian Recipes. In my previous videos, you'll have noticed I had cooked a curry using black eye pea. Now, that was the vegetarian version of the black eye pea curry, but today we're going to have a non-vegetarian version. We're going to infuse the flavor of a dry fish into this curry and cook a karuvatu karamani kullambu, which is popularly known in South India. So let's have a look at those ingredients for this particular dish.
We need to prepare a paste for this curry. So let's look at the ingredients for preparing the paste. I have taken 2 medium-sized onions, chopped. Ten cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger, chopped. Pepper 1 teaspoon. Cumin 1 teaspoon. Turmeric powder half a teaspoon. Coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Chili powder 1 teaspoon. Salt for taste. I have chopped around 4 medium-sized tomatoes. I'm adding it to it. I will grind this into a fine paste like this. I have taken 150 grams of black eye pea and I have soaked it for 4 hours. I have pressure cooked it for 4 whistles and I have kept it aside. I have taken 5 to 6 pieces of dry fish, washed it 2 to 3 times and kept aside. I have taken a medium ball of tamarind and I have soaked it in water and I have kept it aside. I have taken a medium pan and preheated it. I'm adding around 50 ml of refined oil. Once the oil is warm, we will add the dry fish to the oil. We will fry the dry fish in the oil so that the flavor of the dry fish infuses in the oil. Once the dry fish is roasted, add 1 teaspoon of mustard. Once the mustard starts to splatter, add the curry leaves and the paste that we had ground earlier. Mix it well. Fry till the oil starts to separate. And now at this point of time, we would add the tamarind juice to the curry and we will cook it till the rawness of the tamarind juice is gone. Once the rawness of the tamarind juice is gone, we will add the cut brinjals. Mix it well. Add 1 glass of water. Mix it well. Close the lid and allow it to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Once the brinjal is cooked, now at this point of time, we will add the black eye pea that we have already cooked and kept aside. Mix it well. We will check and see if the salt is fine. Needs a little bit more of salt, so I'm going to add it. Now we will close it with the lid and we will allow it to cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we'll open up the lid and we will check. You can see the oil separating from the curry, so it's cooked fine now. Your karuvatu karamani kullambu is ready to be served.